Peptic ulcer is characterized by the loss of mucosa. Mucosa is the innermost layer of the gastrointestinal wall that surrounds the lumen, or open space within the tube. It is responsible for the absorption, digestion, and secretion, which is an important process in digestion. It regulates a normal pH. When there is a loss of mucosa, it decreases the resistance, and it may result to the acid pepsin injury. Pepsin's ability to increase the rate and degree of esophageal cell and tissue damage at acid pH. Peptic ulcer is caused by inflammation, using of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and stress. Inflammation is due to the Helicobacter pylori that colonizes the arterial mucosa. The immune system is unable to clear the infection. Gastrin stimulates the production of gastric acid by parietal cells, and in H. pylori, colonization responses to increased gastrin. The increase in acid can contribute to the erosion of the mucosa and therefore ulcer formation. Using of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin, ibuprofen, that can damage the lining of the stomach and duodenum. It blocks the function of cyclooxygenase 1, which is essential for the production of prostaglandins. COX-1 is an enzyme responsible for the formation of important biological mediator called prostanoids, includes prostaglandins, and stress as a possible cause of these complications. As a research, chronic stress and irregular mealtime can cause the ulcer. Peptic ulcer as a signs and symptoms, like abdominal pain in the epigastric, with severity relating to the mealtime after around 3 hours of taking a meal. Abdominal fullness, copious vomiting and nausea, hematemesis, a vomiting of blood. This can occur due to the bleeding directly from the gastric ulcer or from damage to the esophagus from severe or continuing vomiting. Melena, tarry and foul smelling, loss of appetite, and weight loss. Peptic ulcer can be related to duodenal and gastric ulcer and can perform a surgical of Billroth 1, stomach to the duodenum, Billroth 2, stomach to the jejunum, total gastrectomy, removal of the entire stomach, and threctomy, removal of the lower portion of stomach. Pylosplasty, incision of meat into the pylorus to enlarge the outlet and relax the muscle to enhance emptying. Vagotomy, interaction of vagus nerve to decrease gastric secretion. Peptic ulcer can be diagnosed an exam of X-ray to the form of endoscopy or gastroscopy. Urea blood test is a test to see if there is a presence of H. pylori. Peptic ulcer, gastric ulcer, and duodenal ulcer can be treated to a healthy diet, the using of bland diet, it is a liquid preparation, and giving medications such as antacids, sucralfate, proton pump inhibitor, H2 blockers, and antibiotics for H. pylori.